Welcome to Unit 2, The Giver. Everyone should have a copy of the book, which we will be reading for the next 4 to 5 weeks. I will be giving you an outline for the next few weeks as well. Here you will find a week by week of the assignments that are due. Week 1, you will be reading pages 1 through 46. You will be doing a writing assignment, Utopias versus Dystopias, vocabulary. Week 2, read pages 47 through 92, writing assignment, My Future Job, and some vocabulary. Week 3, read pages 93 through 132. You will begin your personal utopian project, which you will be signing up. You will start your utopian project outline and some vocabulary. Week 4, read pages 1 through 33 through 171. You will begin your final assessment. You will have some vocabulary and your outline is due. Week 5, you will continue on your group project and also on your final assessment. Here in red, you will see that your final assessment is due on October 13 and your book versus movie review is due on Friday, October 16. Writing assignments. This unit will consist of 3 writing assignments, which are all due on Fridays at 11:59 with no exceptions. Must be MLA format, double-spaced 12-inch margins, include your first and last name, the date, and the title. Your first writing assignment is due on Friday, September 11th at 11:59 p.m., which is Utopia versus Dystopia. In a 5 to 7 paragraph essay, explain the differences between a utopian and dystopian society. Be sure to include examples for each. Writing assessment number 2, which is due Friday, September 18, My Future Job. In a 5 to 7 paragraph essay, explain what your future job will look like. Where do you see yourself working? How much money do you make, etc. Writing assessment number 3 is due on Friday, October 16 at 11:59 p.m. Book versus movie review. In a 10 to 12 paragraph essay, compare and contrast both the book and movie. Be sure to include similarities and differences and provide examples. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Now on to vocabulary. You'll be looking up 10 different vocabulary words that you are unfamiliar with through your reading of The Giver. Here's an example of the blocks of the structure of how I want it. You have your word, interdependence, your definition, which is the dependence of 2 or more people or things on each other, and give an example of the word in a sentence. For example, the most basic concept of this ancient philosophy of yin and yang is that everything and all energies are interdependent upon another. Those are due on Friday, September 11th, September 18th, September 25th, and October 2nd. Now on to your personal utopia. This is a group project. Remember that it is due on Friday, October 9th at 11:59 p.m. In this project, you will be creating your own utopian community. You must include information regarding government, education, family, and recreation, who is allowed to be part of your community, why, what laws exist, what constitutes as a family in your community, what recreational activities are there. Remember to use your imagination for this writing assignment. Be sure to include the name of your community. This is a group project of no more than 3 per group, which you will be signing up here. Using this sign-up sheet, you will include your group members' names, your contact information, and a link from your Google document so I could see your progress. And for your final assessment, I will be using this final assessment to know if you have been understanding the book The Giver. You have 4 options to choose from. You could either write a 4 to 5 page paper on your understanding of the theme, characters, the plot, the setting, and symbolism you use throughout the book. unit exam, which consists of 50 multiple choice questions and 2 response questions, or a PowerPoint presentation, which is also your understanding of the theme, character, plot, setting, and symbolism, or your fourth option, which is a video presentation on your understanding of the theme, character, plot, setting, and symbolism. If you click on home, you will find a quick summary of the giver. For further reading, we have Gathering Blue, which is the second book to the giver, Messenger, which is the third book, and Sun, which is the fourth and final book in the giver quartet. Here is a quick trailer I have provided to you for The Giver the movie, which came out in 2004, which you are all required to watch to write your book versus movie writing assignment, which is due on Friday, October 16. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to write me an email. Thank you.